God is good, and all the time. I will just be very brief. To Allah we belong, and to Him we shall go. The key word is shall. Yani lazima sisi wote tutaondoka. Our Solicitor General Emeritus and your sons, Aziz and Monye, poleni sana. It's been a tough moment, but having put God first, I'm sure we are here today to celebrate our mom, Rukia. Poleni sana. Your Excellency, thank you for standing with your long-term friend. At least I've picked something from the few words he said, how you developed your friendship and how it has really been the pillar and your ability not to forsake your friends. Kibagendi, I've picked something, how their friendship, even if they were enjoying the same literature. Kindly let's also create a story. We'll tell people years down the line. Ndio tusiseme kwamba sisi tulipatana tukisema WANTAM. Yes, na sisi tuseme tulipitia shule na tumefika hapa, lakini tutaendelea kusema WANTAM. Lastly, if I was young, I could have drawn a lot of family lessons from you. Shida nimezeeka kidogo. I look more, I'm picking from Onyonka. But Onyonka, we also learned very good lessons from you. I think every day is a learning lesson. Poleni sana kwa familia, and as all, let us support our presidential candidate. Munatogoska gochugutwa, omorai Tom Fred Matiang'i, na ande nere togotina nere bakomwelio. Abana bari ba minto moko nyagokama, tafadhali manyanga bono ne eri moko kama binto mbigo toka bwana. Asanteni sana na pole.
Mwagiri chingubi kabisa.